So satisfying. It's a really satisfying thing to watch. Especially when you watch somebody that can do it. The master in action. Up she goes, baby. Running out of lift. Yeah. The reach. These little machines, the longer you reach, the less power you have, because they're only little. That's what he's trying to explain to his friend. Oh yeah, yeah, you got it. Shut it. You could just about shut that. So satisfying to watch. Yep, that's right. Bye. He's giving him directions. He doesn't need directions. He's been operating excavators all his life. This thing, the smaller the excavator, the harder it is to operate, guys. I know that myself because I can do this too, but not as good as he. However, the bigger the excavator, the easier it is to operate. He's giving him hand directions and he doesn't need it. Oh, this is so funny. Oh my gosh. Keith doesn't even realise he's not even looking at him. Oh, this is so classic. Look at his body. He's not even... Oh, this is so funny. I love it. It's so satisfying. So satisfying to watch though. Oh, it's all happening. Oh, look out. Now we're laughing. And it's done. He's so furious. He hasn't moved all day. He hasn't moved all day. You better be careful. Oh my gosh. I hope he doesn't see me laughing. No. I'm not laughing at him. This is just hysterical. What's happened? Oh, I gotta go. Oh no. I don't want him to bust me laughing. I can't see. He hasn't moved all day. Like, as in, yeah. No, done nothing. He was going 100 miles an hour. Just settle down, bloke. You might hurt yourself. Oh my gosh. And that's our best friend for the last, I don't know, 40 years. shoveling away there. And that's my husband. That's our best friend who's come down to visit from the country. He's going great now. You're doing a good job. I've never seen him move so fast in all the time I've known him. Because he knows I'm filming him, right? Oh, this is funny. Where's my foot? Look, you can see my leg. Look at the shadows. Ooh, it's weird. Look. I got this big long jumper on. It's very cold here, guys. We're having such a good day. It's been such a good day. I hope this finds you all well, guys. Love you all. In Jesus' name. Pray for protection. Keep it happy. Keep things light. Make life nice.